you find your insurance paperwork?
No, I only have the old one. My dad hasn't sent me a copy of it yet.
Okay. Ma'am, I believe your driving could possibly be impaired by alcohol. I'm going to have you step out and do a couple of tests real quick, see if you're okay to keep driving. Go ahead and step out for me.
Yes, sir. It's freaking cold. Do you want me to turn off my vehicle?
You can leave the heater on for your friend. Go ahead and step out.
On January 25th, 2020, Officer Brown of the Albuquerque Police Department arrested 25-year-old Veronique for aggravated DWI during a late-night stop.
I just didn't know what you want me to do.
Do you have any shoes that are flat, like tennis shoes or anything in the car that's not... Do you have socks? Do you need a pair of socks or anything?
I can check my trunk. Is that okay?
That's fine.
No. This is all I have in my trunk.
Okay.
Check my back seat.
There are some...
Right away, you can hear Veronique trying to explain her condition and reference her autoimmune disease. These early conversations often reveal both nerves and denial. No one ever expects their night to end this way.
Some shoes back there.
Are they the Uggs?
Go ahead and look. At least they're flat, yeah. And there's tennis shoes as well.
Oh, awesome. I'm going to wear my Uggs because they're a little bit cold. I don't have socks. Oh. Oh, shit.
Okay, actually I'm going to have you stand right here. Right there where my light's shining.
Okay. By this black dot?
Yep, turn and face me. Do you have any medical limitations, impairments that affect your ability to walk and balance?
I do have an autoimmune disease called Behçet syndrome.
Okay.
Yes.
Behçet syndrome?
Behçet syndrome. The last time I was diagnosed, I was about the third person in New Mexico to have it.
Okay.
It's very similar to lupus.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you try these tests as best you can, and we'll go from there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel comfortable walking in those shoes?
Yep.
Does your autoimmune disease or whatever it is, does it affect your ability to walk and balance?
At times I do get lesions inside of my intestines. I did go to the doctor last week for a lesion that I had.
Okay, and did they give you something for it? Do you think it's better? They haven't done anything?
There's
okay,
no
so the
cure for
lesion inside your intestine, does that affect your ability to walk and balance?
Oh.
Okay, arms down at your side, please.
Yes,
Be looking
sir.
at your eyes. I need you to watch the tip of this pin right here with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, just your eyes. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Try to hold your head still, please. Keep watching it. I need you to look
I'm
at it.
watching.
You're going ahead of it and you're not looking at it. I need you to look at this tip of this pin. Keep watching it. It's over here.
I'm watching it.
You're not watching it. I can tell. I'm looking right at your eyes. It's over here.
I'm watching it.
You keep looking away from it. I need you to keep looking at it. Don't move your head, please.
Does peripheral vision work?
No, you need to look at it. I need you to look
I
at
thought
it.
peripheral vision worked.
Keep watching it.
Sorry.
Don't move your head. Okay, I'm going to go up.
Watching her struggle through these tests is uncomfortable. You can see the hesitation and her attempts to rationalize every move. For officers, these moments are tense. It's about public safety, but it's also someone's life about to change.
This next test is going to be a walking test. Leave your left foot where it is. Place your right foot in front of your left foot, stand heel to toe just like this, and put your arms down at your side. Stay in that position. Don't move or begin this test until I ask you to, okay?
Yes, sir.
This will be a walking test. When I ask you to, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down an imaginary straight line. The straight line goes out
9
directly
heel
in
to
front
toe?
of you.
Is this one counting 1?
Nope.
No?
The straight line goes out directly in front of you. It's about as wide as your feet. When you reach your 9th step on this straight line, you're going to turn around in a half circle, and then you'll take 9 heel to toe steps back the direction you came from.
Yes,
Watch
sir.
me. I'm going to demonstrate and show you what I'll be looking for, keeping your arms down at your side. Your first step will be step 1. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, all heel to toe. You're going to go all the way to 9. When you reach your 9th step, you'll plant your lead foot or the foot that you end on. You'll step out with your back foot and take a series of small steps around in a half circle till you're facing the direction that you came from. And then you'll take 9 steps back. Once again, you'll count those out loud. 1, 2, 3, continuing all the way to 9. Once you start the test, don't stop till the test is counting your steps out loud. Keep your arms down at your side.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes. Is this one counting 9 or is this
Your
one?
first step will be step 1.
Okay. Sounds good.
Do you understand those instructions?
Yes, sir.
Get back in the position I asked you to stand in. Left foot down, right foot in front. If you understand the instructions and you have no questions, you can begin whenever you're ready.
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Half turn, half turn, half turn. 1, 2, 3. Shit. My balance is very bad. 4, 5, 6. Oh shit. 7, 8, 9. Half turn, half turn.
Okay. Next step, stand right there, please. Next test is called a one-leg stand. When I ask you to, you're going to pick up one foot, the foot of your choice, right or left, whichever you're more comfortable with.
Yes, sir.
You'll pick that foot up about 6 inches off the ground, about the height of a soda can. Watch me, I'm going to demonstrate and show you what I'll be looking for, keeping your arms down at your side. You'll pick up one foot 6 inches off the ground, keeping both of your knees straight. Look at my legs. Keeping both your knees straight, your elevated foot will be parallel to the ground. I don't want your toe up in the air, your foot pointing out. You're going to look at your elevated foot and count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and I want you to keep counting like that until I ask you to stop counting. Do you understand those instructions?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about this test?
No, sir.
Will you spit your gum out over there real quick? Just spit it out.
Just spit?
Yep. Open your mouth for me, please. Do you have anything in your mouth? Lift up your tongue. Okay. If you understand the test and you don't have any questions, you may begin whenever you're ready.
Okay. 1001, 1002. Oh shit. My balance is literally trash.
Keep going until I ask you to stop.
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry.
Go ahead and stop. Okay. Do you know the English alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Yes.
G.
Do you know it?
Yes.
Okay. What level of school did you complete?
I am about to complete my law degree.
Okay. I want you to do the alphabet for me. I want you to start at E and end at Q. Q.
E through Q?
Forward, yes. Go ahead.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q.
Okay, do you know your numbers?
Yes, sir.
Can you count backwards for me? Start at 47 and end at 32, please.
47 to 32?
Yes.
47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 43, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 30.
I feel like your driving is possibly impaired by alcohol. These tests are not pass-fail, but I feel like you did poorly on them. What's going to happen is I'm going to give you a chance to take a breath test. That is something that is required, but in order to take that test, I do have to place you under arrest for DWI. So turn around for me, please.
I I have a question.
Go ahead.
So, I'm pretty sure
Change this
you're
to a 47
not allowed
and
to arrest
stop
me
me at 46. Advice
that
my
the
MVP.
breath test is by willingness.
Okay. Go ahead and turn around for me. I'll read you the implied consent, and you can decide for yourself. You're not going to be forced to take it. You do have to provide a breath sample, but it's going to be your choice. Turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back.
Here, Veronique insists she's pretty sure you can only arrest me if I'm willing.
Is there anything in the vehicle that you would
The
like
disbelief is real.
to grab a cell phone?
Even law students, under pressure, sometimes misunderstand the law in the moment.
Step out, please.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to go in these doors right over here. Go to your left.
156, 90 miles, 1.6.
Left again. Stand right here. Face that poster. I'm going to read everything on there that's written in blue. You can follow along with me or just listen. Listen to me. I'm going to read everything in blue. Listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You are under arrest for driving under the influence of an intoxicating liquor or drug. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse or a laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid for by the law enforcement agency, the Albuquerque Police Department. Do you agree to take our test? It will be a breath test. Okay, have a seat. Okay, ma'am, stand up. Gonna get a good seal around the mouthpiece, blow in there hard and constantly until the machine stops making noise.
Until it stops making noise?
Yep. Blow hard like you're blowing up a balloon. Blow until the machine stops making noise. Try it again. Blow really hard like you're blowing up a balloon. Go ahead. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going. Go ahead and stop. Okay, the machine's going to recalibrate, set back to zero. It's going to ask you to do that one more time. Go ahead and have a seat. Okay, ma'am, same thing as before. Stand up. Constant breath. Blow constantly, hard and constantly until the machine stops making noise. Go ahead. Blow, 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 blow. Try it again. Okay, go ahead and stop. Now, the legal limit in the state of New Mexico is .08. Your first breath score was a .16 and your second was a .16.
When the breathalyzer confirms a blood alcohol content of 0.16, double the legal limit, the reality sinks in. There's no way to talk your way out of the science. For everyone involved, this is the moment the situation becomes unavoidably real.